The government has been forced into embarrassing climb down over the high cost of radio and television license fees following public outrage and mounting political pressure. Sabina mashoko kuda panguva ino tiona vana Jane Panoswere right now votanga kudzikisa macosts our ZBC radio license after vanhu varesista zvakanyanya kuti vasubscribe like vatsvambapei like tipinda muna uzvizere mubuda mnyuka muchinzi. Information Minister Jane Panoswere told Parliament on Wednesday that the widely criticized $30 per term car radio license fee imposed by the Zimbabwe Broadcasting Corporation ZBC is now under urgent review, with the proposals to cut it to between $5 and $15. The revelation comes after years of complaints from citizens who have questioned the value and legality of the compulsory ZBC license fees, particularly in light of poor service delivery and the widespread dissatisfaction with ZBC programming. On Tuesday, Cabinet resolved that all government levies and licenses fees be reviewed. This includes the Broadcasting Service Act, under which ZBC, together with the ministry, must reconsider the existing fee structures, Mr. admitted. His remarks follows a directive from President mnangagwa, who is believed to have intervened after the issue became a source of growing national frustration. Analysts say the government's decision is a clear response to public pressure and embarrassment. Social media campaigns, parliamentary debates, and civil society organizations have all criticized the ZBC fees as outdated, exploitative, and unjustifiable. In course, this is a victory for ordinary Zimbabweans who refused to be silent while being whelmed by a broadcaster that offers no value in return, said a media rights advocate in Harare. Ndomasvika nokuda panguva ine vanhu voresista kusvika panguva ine vana muswere vakuti awa takunoita review tinoona kuti awa maradio license fees awa tomadzikisa from 30 per term out something like around $5 to $15. Tudze mafungiro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndakumesi kuchemedudza mafungiro enyu. Musaona subscribe or like chitombopera.